Hi, today we are counting down the top 10 countries most affected by climate change in 2026. From devastating floods and deadly heat waves to rising sea levels and powerful storms, these nations are facing some of the toughest climate challenges on earth. Number 10, Kenya. Kenya continues to experience severe droughts and unpredictable rainfall. These changes affect agriculture, wildlife, and millions of people who depend on farming for their livelihoods. Number 9. Pakistan. Pakistan remains highly vulnerable to climate disasters. Extreme flooding, heat waves, and glacier melting continue to threaten communities across the country. Number 8. Philippines. Located in the Pacific typhoon belt, the Philippines faces powerful tropical storms every year. Rising sea levels and coastal erosion are increasing the risks. Number 7. Madagascar. Madagascar is struggling with droughts, food insecurity, and extreme weather events. Climate change is putting pressure on both people and biodiversity. Number 6. India. India experiences intense heat waves, unpredictable monsoons, floods, and water shortages. With its large population, climate impacts affect millions of lives. Number 5. Bangladesh. Bangladesh is one of the world's most climate vulnerable countries. Rising sea levels, cyclones, and river flooding pose major threats to communities. Number 4. Nigeria. Nigeria faces desertification in the north and flooding in many regions. Climate change is affecting agriculture, water resources, and livelihoods. Number 3. Vietnam. Vietnam's low-lying coastal areas are highly vulnerable to sea level rise. Strong storms and saltwater intrusion continue to threaten agriculture and homes. Number 2. Indonesia. Indonesia faces rising sea levels, extreme rainfall, and forest fires. Some coastal communities are already dealing with regular flooding. Number 1. Somalia. Somalia ranks first among the countries most affected by climate change in 2026. Repeated droughts, food shortages, and extreme weather events have created severe humanitarian challenges. So, climate change is no longer a future problem, it's happening right now. These countries highlight the urgent need for global action, sustainable development, and climate resilience. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.